Hello. Today we'll talk about importing. Importing in Vectorworks is pretty straightforward. Basically, um, usually you will have some kind of conceptual line work ready, either it's base map or a finished conceptual map, line work kind of thing, and you feel pretty comfortable to go to Vectorworks and model them. Okay, because Vectorworks is basically a built-in information model. Okay, it's ready when you feel okay. I'm getting there. I'm ready to make a full model for my design. Okay, um, so but you can do that. Start with line work because I think that line work. There are a lot of better softwares like Rhino. They're really good in terms of drawing shapes or kind of things. They can integrate it with Grasshopper. So I would have a plan, either ready and then go to Vectorworks. Okay, um, a conceptual one at least. Okay, so for example, this is what we have, and we know all the units. See here, these feet, the different units down here. Um, then what I did is I just go to Vectorworks, create the file, make sure the unit, set up the unit. See here, um, in this case, unit feet inches, and then um, go here. You just drag this in. So Vectorworks will automatically detect what kind of files you want to. If there's options, they will pop up. Okay, they will let you know the options available. For example, this is DXF and DWG, and then they will tell you, okay, sounds like it's feet. The units is feet there. See whether or not you want to change or something. You can change the unit later. Okay, that's what actually we're gonna do. And then you go to advanced, and you go to that's important. You have to go to class. You have to make sure you have prefix. Okay, the reason is, um, and they in classes too. The reason is if you don't have prefix, all the layers is gonna be individual classes. So you will end up a lot of classes in here. Okay, that's not good. So just go to, you know, I just name a cat. If I click OK, then I click OK again, and they finish importing, and you will see exact same layers showing up here and underneath, cat. So I can easily, hide them. Okay, so it won't show up. So it's well organized. So see here, these are the layers. Okay, um, but when you open up this, you will find out it's super long. See here, this is like about 7,000. That's not right. So the unit is actually off. So what I did is I just select them all and then go to modify and scale objects. Then I use this by distance option. What I did is I just click this point and click this point. Um, they will measure for me, and then I will, get the real distance, which I can, find that in the AutoCAD. See here, that's about six 646 feet, so 646 feet, and then there is about 3 inches, and then click OK. So they will, do that for me, and then we can know, how wide that was. Okay, um, pretty much the right dimensions. Okay, and so this is for the CAD file, and then for PDFs, for images, similar thing. You just drag, they'll automatically detect the format, and then click OK. They will have this, but you need to make sure, maybe find out the scale options. I know this box is for this image, so I just go to modify again and go to scale object again, and then basically I just click here, and then I know this is the same 6 4 46 3 inches. I click OK, and then they will get here, and then I can easily line them up. I can easily line them up, and then I can send to the back, So there you go. So I created a base map, so we can start to modeling some things. All right. So that's it. Thank you.